Hey, good morning YouTube. What's cracking? So, I haven't done a vlog in a long time since I was doing my lose 20 pounds in 12 weeks. So today is Saturday, August 26th, and it is the Fit Expo show in Anaheim. So, gonna do a vlog about it. So right now, heading to the gym. Gonna meet two of my guys, Mike and a client. We're gonna work out, go get some breakfast, then we're gonna head to the Fit show. So I'll record all that, and then I'll actually probably gonna go look at a car. So I'll throw that in this vlog too, and then probably dinner with the fam. So it is 5:38 in the morning, and it's time we gotta get going. So here we go. All right, just got to the gym, and none of my crew's here. Gonna have to go solo. So here we go, walking in. So they finally decided to show up. Got this fucker, looks like shit. He's supposedly sick. I got this one over here. I don't know what the fuck he's doing today. Serious, 6:30 a.m. Time to do some back. All right, just left the gym. Gonna head over down the street from the gym. A little spot named Apparel Cafe and Grill. Gonna have some breakfast. Then we're gonna head over to the Expo. So here we are. Apparel Cafe. Got G Scott with me. Tokyo. All right, so we just wrapped up breakfast. Getting ready to get on the freeway. And we should be in Anaheim, hopefully in the next 40-45 minutes. So now we're at the convention center trying to get in, but as you can see, traffic's a motherfucker. Goddamn zoo. Sitting here waiting. So hopefully we can get in the next 15 minutes or so. The line sucks. Alright, G Squad. Tokyo Nutrition just landed. We're at the convention center. Now we gotta stand in line again. Got a line, got a bracelet. Now finally walking into the show. Yeah, bodybuilding.com. Your legacy is built. Looks like they're having a little contest right now. See if we can zoom in a little bit. There we go. There we go. Crazy, a lot of people out here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm gonna stand in line for bodybuilding.com, and that's the line right there. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Fucking line for bodybuilding.com.
This line.
The shit better be worth it. Alright, so we left the Fit Expo, came over here to some place in Buena Park, it's called Portillo's, and had 2 chili dogs, some fries, and a beer. Now I'm gonna head over and go test drive an i3, see how it goes. Alright, after a long day at the dealer, finally got it. Now we're gonna go to Mr. Sushi and finish off the night with some sushi with the fam.